Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Aukuoy 12VHPWR cable extension, a conversion cable designed for powering high-end graphics cards. This cable features a 16-pin, or 12 plus 4-pin, female connector on one end and splits into dual PCIe 8-pin, or 6 plus 2-pin, male connectors for your GPU. Measuring 6.8 inches, or 17 centimeters, this cable allows you to connect a single output to GPUs requiring two 8-pin PCIe connections. The Aukuoy cable is compatible with a wide range of PSUs that come with original output cables. It's specifically designed for GPUs that accept dual 8-pin PCIe connections. It is important to note, however, that this cable does not support GPUs with the new 12 plus 4-pin connector. Constructed with 16 Aruban fluorines copper wire, the cable is built to support up to 600 watts of power, ensuring stable transmission and reliable performance. Its design emphasizes a secure connection, and the compact 17-centimeter length helps reduce cable clutter inside your PC case while keeping your build looking clean. This cable extension is also lightweight, weighing just under 2 ounces, and has a maximum voltage rating of 300 volts, making it suitable for indoor desktop use. This cable is a conversion solution, not a modular cable, meaning it's meant to extend or adapt your existing PSU cables rather than serve as a direct replacement. It provides an efficient and straightforward way to connect older PSU setups to newer GPUs that require multiple 8-pin connections, bridging the gap between current GPU power demands and existing power supplies. Overall, this cable extension is ideal for PC builders looking for a reliable, safe, and sleek solution to power high-performance graphics cards without needing to upgrade their PSU entirely. It offers a combination of stability, compatibility, and a clean, manageable length, making it a practical addition to any modern gaming or workstation setup. If you're upgrading your GPU or want to simplify your cabling for a high-end build, this conversion cable is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest tech accessories.